Long lasting and so washable, easy to style.
Yes, welcome to the YouTube channel of Hair Zipper, and for today we're going to learn how to plait a short piece again, as we've been having it in our lessons. And for today I want to cut it more short. So first we're using the needle and the thread. It's what I always use because I don't want to use the big thread, it's not good. And then the oil. This all helps me for the anti-itchy, as you can see the way it is. When I put it there, it looks white, but it melts. It melts, as you can see. I try to apply it everywhere so that my client doesn't feel the itch, because sometimes they say that they itch a lot. So that's how we do it, slowly like this. And as we're doing this, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe, because I want us to learn each and every step of plaiting a brush wave. This is how it is. So here I'm done doing it like this. There I massage a little bit, as you can see. And I'm going to use a human piece because it's what like we can be easily to iron and doesn't get spoiled quickly. So after massaging, we are going to start our plaiting, and I want you to follow me so that I can show you all the steps of doing it. This is the center closure. This is the base. So just follow me as we're doing this together. I'm going to make sure we take step by step, so that we can all learn how to plait a short piece. So I start like this, the way you're saying, then I come with it like this. That's what we're going to do. So when I reach here, I see that I can, when we are plaiting the short piece, the first step that you should know that we have to go round like this, and we finish up to our center if it's here. So our center is going to be here, so I have to go round like this equally up to the end. So when I reach here, I see like my circle is fine, like to come like this. But as you can see, that if I bring here my circle like this, it's not right, but it comes nicely when I put it like this, you see. So all I'm going to do, I'll have to first get this line, this one, so that when I'm bringing this one, it will have to cover here. So that's how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do, I have to start from here like this, so that when I'm bringing this one, it's going to pass here. So follow me as we're doing this. See here, like the way I told you at the first place. Now I've saw it round, but has come to this circle. So it's why I'm going to pass like this, so that we can follow our circle very nicely, just like that. Make sure that it's on the same circle up to the center. Don't see, like, it's not good when this piece gets done before this one. So you have to follow the circle up to the center. So follow me step by step as we are learning this one. And remember, you have to subscribe so that we can do this together. just like this. At times, like when you reach here and you find your swirls can be seen, as you can see, you have to get another layer and you add it. You don't add it from up, you just add it from down like this. You add it from down just like that. Yes, so as we are following our circle, just like here, of course I can't just come like this, but our circle still comes down like this. So that's how we keep on following our circle. So right now I started with one layer, two layers. Now I'm using 3. Like the more I go up, I keep on adding these layers, because now there are 3. I think on the coming one I can make them 4, just like this. So just follow me step by step, up to when we get our result of this piece. In this step, when we reach here, as you can see that my circle, I can't do it this side. It's trying to make it straight, but I can do it like this. It's doing a nice circle. So what I'm going to do, still I have to know that this one I cut from here, then it's where I start rolling another one, so that I find my circle when it's going on the good direction, just like this. From here I go, then for this one it's going to follow it like this. So I think you're following me. Like when I'm doing this one, I have to go like this, so that this one will just come up just here, but I can't do it here. So as you can see, I was rolling it round. Now we have reached on the center. So to make sure that my center is equal, I have to first put it like this. Then I see this is supposed to be here. So I make sure that this side is supposed to be equal with this one. But as you can see that this is already, it's done. But here I still have like 2 of them. So it means I have to sew here so that they be equal. So I will first put this so that it gives me the actual center, just like that. So when I reach on this level, obviously after finishing my my center, I have to hold it this path, and I'm remaining with my circle the way it is. So I'm going to sew it so that I can feel it very well. So when we reach on this step, now we are done installing our short piece. So now we're going to do the cutting. So when I'm cutting, the only thing we have to first do, we have to comb like this. We have to comb. So when we are done combing, another thing we do, we have to make sure that we separate. But when we are separating, you make sure that you follow the forehead, the corner of your forehead, which I know that is supposed to be here, just like this. Yes, so I'm supposed to fall like that. So when I'm done, I still get another corner which one? The one I know it's supposed to be here, just like this. So I comb just like this. So when I reach here, combing, I just follow the lines, the line of this one, just like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up to the center, just like this. So it's the same thing that you do the other side before you're cutting. So when you finish doing this one, now we are going to start cutting. After getting that our line is here, so now we are going to start cutting. So follow me as we are cutting. We're going to try to be faster. I'm done cutting my short piece. So I'm going to show you the styles that you can get after when you try to comb it very well. So when you're combing, you have to use this comb because it's nice, so it combs it nicely. So this is the first style that I can comb it like this. Just like this. And I make one style the way you're seeing it, like this. So another style, and try to comb it like this. Like as you're combing, you just try to create your own style, just like this. Just like that. Then still we can try to do it like this. Combing, use our hands. Just use our hands. Make it a bit crazy. Just like this. That was another step. Then now I'm going to cut it finally to our fashion, the way we wanted it to be, the flat step. So when we're plaiting the flat step of a short piece, it's a brush step of a short piece, just like this. You have to comb it this way, then you start cutting. Then our cutting is going to be like this. When we are done here, I'm going to get a wrapper so that I can wrap it. Remember, we are doing a brush piece. It's a brush piece. Now I'm going to wrap it with my wrapper. This is what I use. And after wrapping, I put the person in the dryer for just 5 minutes only.
Easy to style.
Thank you for following us, for all the steps that you have been taking. I remember we started from down up to here where I have reached. As you can see, my brush short piece, the way it is looking like. So keep following the YouTube channel Hair Zipper and subscribe so that we give you all the basics and the styles of how to plait hair. Don't forget to subscribe. It's Hair Zipper, located at my Bridge Complex, level 4 room 23. We love you so much. Make sure you subscribe.